So this is how to buy Dogecoin crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Once Robinhood is open, at the very bottom, press on the magnifying glass icon in the middle. Once you're here, you can go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol, and you can search up Doge, Dogecoin, or whatever. Once Dogecoin is here, select it to get to this screen, and then at the bottom where it says buy, press that. Now, once you're on this page in the top right where it says market order, you can change the order type. So you can do a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in Dogecoin. I will just keep it at market order in Canadian dollars. Now, once you're here, select how much Dogecoin you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $4 worth, you would type in 4 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the order so you can see how much Dogecoin you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good, at the very bottom, you can swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Dogecoin here in our Dogecoin crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.